In the last season of Kasi Car Culture, we brought you the launch of Kasi Road Safety, or KRS. It was hosted right here in Soweto and it was attended by, the likes of Gauteng MEC for Road and Transport and also the spokesperson for Traffic Police. Now, today I'm with Pule Motloung, who is the chairman of KRS, and I want to find out the progress of this organization. Let's go check him out. Bro Pule,
my chief.
We've seen you before.
Yeah.
But when we saw you, you were behind the driver's seat when you were making donut. But now you are doing Kasi Road Safety, Papa. Tell us about that.
Kasi Road Safety, it's an organization that we formed, myself and my partners, in 2015 about road safety. So basically, when we were behind the driver's seat doing whatever that we were doing in our own space, we realized there is a lack of advocacy towards road safety as young people, particularly in township and so forth. So we then had a couple of programs that were linked to road safety. Ultimately, those programs led to us then forming an organization, and then that is when Kasi Road Safety then was formed.
Why did you feel the need, the necessity to start this organization?
Okay, the reality of the matter is that unfortunately our people, particularly the black community that uses the roads daily, they don't know that our people are dying. You can only be able to understand or know that when statistics comes out. But even the statistics themselves, when RTMC and the Department of Transport releases those statistics, they don't go into details for you to understand who's dying, where, and what could be the reasons. And when we looked at all those statistics and those realities as Kasi Road Safety, we realized, once again, our people are not actually respecting their life. Our people do not know the importance of actually just buckling up. Our people don't understand what speed contributes in terms of fatalities that we see in our roads, drink and driving, text and driving, all of those things. And because the government was the one that was bringing that message to us as the people, we were actually not taking the government serious, I suppose, So we thought, what, we are ordinary people as Kasi Road Safety funders. So let's go and talk to our people. Let them hear from ordinary people, what is the road safety really costing us as a nation? And hopefully that will influence them and motivate them to change and use the road responsibly.
Will you take me through the growth and development of Kasi Road Safety?
We have grown to a point where now we are a stakeholder that is very much respected by the government as far as the road safety department, as far as the Department of Transport and its agencies are concerned. And our voice it's taken serious. Our advice and opinions are actually, some of them they are implemented, because there are some programs or some ways of implementing the departmental programs through the ways in which we actually advise the government to do, So that on its own shows you that our capacity in terms of sharing ideas with fellow road safety practitioners has grown.
So what can people do to assist you in your endeavors?
Look, Kasi Road Safety doesn't belong to Pule. Kasi Road Safety doesn't belong to Zweli or Sizagele. Kasi Road Safety belongs to everyone. What people can do to assist us is come up with ideas that can assist the organization to be sustainable. And also, we need people to come and be part of us and be road safety pioneers, We want people to actually help us to go out and preach the message of road safety. We want people to actually take what we say or what we advise them to do and put it into their head and and apply that when they use the road, Because it's not about just us saying, we need money to do this program, we need money. No, that is not the point. The point is that whatever that we have now, let's use it properly, collectively, as a community, to make it a point that we make our road safer. Because ultimately that is what is important for us as an organization, is to make sure that these kids, when they go to school, they know that they are safe. when they come from school, they know that they are safe. There are not going to be any people that will be driving irresponsibly, because now the people that drives, they will have already gotten the message from us as Kasi Road Safety. And now what they are doing is that they're just applying that message into their daily life.
Now, Pule, last time I was with you, as I said, you were behind the car. You are the CEO of the Soweto Drift Academy. But yet, on the other hand, you are the founder of Kasi Road Safety. Now, one was associated with, negative activities, and one is all about being safe on the roads. How do you balance that?
Look, for me, what is important is that one should actually have a passion and an objective in life, and then live that particular life. Soweto Drift, people can say whatever they want to say about it, but some of us, even myself, I am where I am today because of Soweto Drift. And for me to actually even start Kasi Road Safety, I met my partners in Kasi Road Safety because of Soweto Drift.
Wow.
So the balance is there, and it's very clear. Soweto Drift is a private entity that has nothing to do with Kasi Road Safety, and because Soweto Drift, as a matter of fact, relies on Kasi Road Safety to make it a point that it educates people about the business that Kasi Road Safety, the business that Soweto Drift is into, which of motorsport, and it actually Kasi Road Safety feed the likes of Soweto Drift and other people that are in that kind of fraternity to be safe, to be responsible in whatever they do.
And what's the future?
The future is basically implementing and having offices of Kasi Road Safety nationally. That is number one. And then number two, we want to form bilateral relationships with surrounding countries, the entire SADC. We need to make it a point that Kasi Road Safety is known there. We create those relationships, and then we can have cross-border interrelationships in terms of road safety campaigns and so forth. We have been talking to a couple of other nationalities that actually have road safety programs or organization in their countries. So that is one of the things that going forward, we want to make it a point that we harness those kind of relationships and go bigger.